Jai Sitaram, dear viewer, and welcome to the Shiva Boys Hindu College Diwali Celebration 2020. One very important message of Diwali is a message of unity. Numerous small diyas come together and produce light to defeat the darkest night of the year. They spread the light of joy and happiness everywhere. In the same way, all of us, once we are united, we can face any problem and be successful. I pray that Mata Lakshmi, who appeared on Diwali Day, that she should bless every one of us with the light of happiness, of good health and wealth. I also pray that she shower her blessings and that our Diwali program is successful. Thank you very much.
Sitaram, tonight we are truly blessed to have with us in our Diwali program a man whose greatness cannot be described by mere words. He has served our country and Dharma with distinction for so many years, with immeasurable humility, dedication, and commitment. All his accomplishments are notable and worthy of mention. He is a former Chief Medical Officer and a former Chairman of the Northwest Regional Health Authority. In addition, he is a former Director at the Eastern Regional Health Authority. He served as an Associate Lecturer at the Faculty of Medicine at the University of the West Indies and a part-time lecturer at Nihust. He was also a member of the Medical Council of the Medical Board of Trinidad and Tobago. This great individual was the first chairman of the National Mental Health Committee from 2001 to 2003 and the first chairman of Diwali Nagar. In the political arena, he served as chairman of Club 88 and became the first chairman of the United National Congress. He is one of the founders of the Pandit Parashuram School of Hinduism at Exchange Shiv Mandir complex. He is currently the spiritual head of the Shiv Dwadas Jyotirling Mandir, which has replicas of the 12 Jyotirlingas which are found in India. In 2010, he received the Public Service Medal of Merit Gold for his contribution to Trinidad and Tobago in the field of medicine, and the list goes on. On behalf of our principal, teachers, and everyone associated with Shiva Boys Hindu College, I am extremely honored and delighted to introduce to you a very distinguished and noble personality whom I have had the privilege of knowing for many years. I most humbly present to you the Dharmacharya of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, His Holiness Pandit Dr. Ramprasad Parashuram.
Jai Sitaram. Would you please clasp your hands and bow your heads? Let us pray. Hari Om Sri Ganeshaya Namaha Sri Saraswatyai Namaha Sri Guru Charana Kamalabhya Namaha Shvetambara Dhare Devi Nanalankara Bhushita Jagatstite Jagatmata Mahalakshmi Namostute Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. I extend to all of you Diwali greetings, to the principal, to staff, to the students, their parents and elders, to all the people who have been involved in planning this function. Mata Lakshmi's choicest blessings. I do hope that the coming months and years will bring you good health and prosperity, As you all are aware, Mata Lakshmi is the goddess of light. So we pray that her light should shine upon us and that we should continue to walk in the path of knowledge and wisdom. We also know that Mata Lakshmi is the goddess of health. And in these difficult times when we are grappling with the pandemic, it is only fitting and proper that when we go to our puja rooms to pray, when we light our diyas and when we reflect on Mata Lakshmi, then we ask her to protect us from this virus and to give us health and well-being so that we may do all those things that we have to do. Once again, to all of you, very warm greetings and blessings. Clasp your hands once again and let us pray. Hari Om Siddhi Buddhi Prade Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradayini Mantra Murte Sada Devi Mahalakshmi Namostute Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. God bless you all.
Thank you very much, sir, for sharing those wonderful sentiments. Now it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you two young, vibrant students of Shiva Boys Hindu College who would walk us through this year's online Diwali program. I begin with Isaiah Gabriel Rambajan, who is a student of Upper Six Business. He is an intelligent and diligent young man who enjoys reading and loves the sport of basketball. At school, he is a role model when it comes to discipline, a wonderful young man indeed. Ariana Balkaran is also a very brilliant and industrious individual who previously attended Holy Faith Convent in Pinal. She enjoys reading and likes playing cricket. In fact, she was once a cricket trainer, but now she spends her time helping homeless animals. Our Masters of Ceremonies have performed excellently in the recent CAPE Unit 1 and CSEC examinations respectively. Let us welcome Isaiah Gabriel Ramajan and Ariana Balkaran.
Even though we cannot celebrate Diwali in school like we normally do, here we are, celebrating Diwali through this online forum. Today, aspects of our religion and culture, especially related to the festival of Diwali, will be on display. I assure you that you would find this experience enlightening, meaningful, and enjoyable. Shiva Boys Hindu College is extremely delighted to present our annual Diwali program. So, do sit back and enjoy as we share with you the talents of what we like to call our Shiva Boys family of artists. We now begin this part of our program with song. This 20-year-old singer previously attended Shiva Boys Hindu College and is currently pursuing a BSc major in chemistry and minors in analytical and industrial chemistry at the University of the West Indies. She is a dedicated person in both her academics and cultural traditions. She is known as a singer both locally and abroad. She also plays the sitar. She is presently a student at the Mahatma Gandhi Institute, tutored by Mr. Paritosh Sinha from India. I most happily welcome to perform this year's online Diwali program with her sweet melodious voice, Ms. Satyavani Budu singing Tum Asha Viswas Hamar.
जाने बस Thank you very much for that wonderful performance. The day we know as Diwali Day is commonly known as the Hindus' New Year. On this day, we join the millions of Hindus around the world to worship the god in the form of Mother Lakshmi, especially. We ask our Divine Mother to bless us with knowledge, prosperity, and wealth. This bit of knowledge leads us to our next item on the program. We are privileged to have with us a past student of Sherboys Hindu College, who after leaving school went on to become a graduate of the University of the West Indies. She has been singing for a number of years, during which time she won the 2017 edition of the Diwali Nagaras Coca-Cola Teen Singing Competition. And that same year, she won the Mastana Bahar's Miss Naturally Fair pageant. Singing a bhajan entitled Jai Lakshmi Mata, let's welcome the talented and versatile Mrs. Kimlin Budram Prasad.
Om Jai Lakshmi संभव हो जाता, मन नहीं घबराता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, मैया जय लक्ष्मी माता। तुमको निश दिन सेवक, मैया जी को निश दिन सेवक, हर विष्णु विधाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता। तुम बिन यज्ञ न होवे, वस्त्र न हो पाता, मैया वस्त्र न हो पाता। कान पान का वैभव, कान पान का वैभव, सब तुमसे आता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता। शुभ गुण मंदिर सुंदर, शीरुररी जाता, मैया शीरुररी जाता। रत्न चतुर्दश तुम बिन, रत्न चतुर्दश तुम बिन, कोई नहीं पाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता। महालक्ष्मी जी की आरती जो कोई नर गाता, मैया जो कोई नर गाता। उर आनंद समाता, उर आनंद समाता, पाप उतर जाता। ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता, ओम जय लक्ष्मी माता।
Thank you for that wonderful performance. Deepavali, commonly known as Diwali, is celebrated by Hindus everywhere in the world, and in most cases, it is the most popular Hindu observance. Its celebration is carried out to commemorate different but equally important occurrences whose origins emanate in our ancestral land of India. Diwali is a 5-day celebration in India, and many Hindus find the time to celebrate the festival over this period, in Trinidad and Tobago as well. In northern India, they celebrate the return of Lord Rama to Ayodhya after he defeated Ravana by lighting rows of clay lamps, and we do the same in our country to this day. It will be impossible to think about Diwali without the lighting of diyas. I could just imagine the celebrations that had taken place in Ayodhya. The next item will be done by a student of the lower 6th science class of our school. She will be playing an instrumental version of one of her favorite bhajans, Raghupati Raghavarajaram, on the harmonium. Let's sit back and enjoy the talent of Anandi Ramsaram.
dance to be performed by the 2013 winner of the Children of Nastana Bahar competition. She has done training in vocals, the harmonium, and the violin. She is currently studying the art of classical dance with Sri Sandra Sukhdeo at the Kala Mandir in Monroe Road. Doing a semi-classical dance, let's welcome a student of the Lower 6 Science class of Shia Boys Hindu College, Amriti Ramnath.
मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे। गिरधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे। पग में घूंघर बांध के आ, 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 पग में घूंघर बांध के, घूंघटा मुख पर डार के, नैनन में गजरा लगा के रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे। डोलत छम छम कामनी आ, आ, डोलत छम छम कामनी, चमकत जैसे दामनी, चंचल प्यारी छब लागे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, गिरधर की मुरलिया बाजे रे, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे। मृदंग बाजे तिरकट दुम ताता, मृदंग बाजे तिरकट दुम ताता, तचक चोम चोम तथै तथै तथा चोम चोम चाना नाना चोम चोम चाना, क्रांदा 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 दादा धा, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, मधुबन में राधिका। निजरे सगरे मग पम ध प नि द सा नि रे सा रे सा नि द प म प ध नि सा रे सा नि द प म प ग म ध प ग म रे सा, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, सा 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 नि द प म प ध प ग म रे सा नि रे सा 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 ग म प ध नि द सा, मधुबन में राधिका नाचे रे, मधुबन में राधिका। ओदे नादिर दिरता नीता धारे धीम, धीम तना ना नादिर दिरता नीता धारे धीम, धीम तना ना नादिर दिरता नीता धारे धीम, धीम तना नादिर दिरता नीता धारे। ओदे ताना दिर दिरता ना दिर 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 तुम दिर दिर दिर, नादिर गिड़ तक तुम दिर गिड़ तक दिर गिड़ ताना नी नादिर दिरता नीता, ओदे नादिर दिरता नीता, ओदे नादिर दिरता नीता धारे धीम, धीम तना ना।
This young, brilliant, and talented artist of Form 4 Science is both a singer and a top-class harmonium player. He has always occupied himself with religious and cultural activities at school, and especially at the mandir that he attends. He has learned a lot from his father, Pandit Anand Maharaj, who is not only a distinguished and reputable Pandit, but is also an excellent mathematics teacher at Shiva Boys Hindu College. Accompanied by Akhilesh Maharaj on the tabla, let's welcome on stage Anish Maharaj.
next speaker is an ambassador of the Hindu religion and culture. He has devoted his life to educating and inspiring devotees throughout our country as a knowledgeable, generous, diligent, and respected Pandit. We know him at school as an excellent mathematics teacher and an exemplar to both students and teachers. He is the president of the Malbertut Shiva Mandir, the assistant secretary of the Southeastern Regional Council of the Sanatan Dharma Mahasabha, and an executive member of the Sanatan Dharma Mahasabha. I introduce to you our very own Pandit Anand Maharaj.
Om Shri Vishnave Namaha. Om Shri Mahalakshmi Namaha. Sitaram. On behalf of my family, I would like to extend Shubh Diwali greetings to all. It is important for us to appreciate the blessings, the gifts, talents, abilities, and the resources that we enjoy. Once Durvasa Rishi gave a precious gift of a flower to Indraji. He subsequently placed it on the head of an elephant. Durvasa Rishi, the Guru, became displeased since appreciation was not shown. Later, Mata Lakshmi deserted him in the sense that he lost all of his wealth and riches. Indraji underestimated the true worth of the gift. To our students, you are all noble recipients of knowledge. This knowledge functions as a light which has the power to dispel the darkness of ignorance, and it also serves to provide a springboard for your success in this life. Continue to appreciate the education you receive and work ambitiously in achieving your goals. Continue to appreciate the worth of this gift of knowledge. To parents, you make a tremendous sacrifice for the success of your children by providing them with many resources. May Mata Lakshmi continue to bless you, and may your children recognize the efforts that you make. Our teachers assiduously impart knowledge to their students. May Mataji continue to bless them bountifully. May the Divine Mother illumine our homes. May goodness and virtue prevail, and may we all have the blessing of welfare. Sarvagye, the Divine Mother who is all-knowing. Sarva Varade, Mataji who gives all boons. Sarva Dushta Bhayankari, the Mother who is the terror to all of the wicked. Sarva Dukha Hare Devi, Ma, you who remove all the sorrows and difficulties. Mahalakshmi Namostute, salutations to the Divine Mother, Mata Lakshmi. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Sitaram, Shubh Diwali, and God bless.
This talented singer attended St. Joseph's Convent in San Fernando and later became a graduate of the University of the West Indies. She has been a student of BVS for over 10 years, where she learned Indian classical music under the tutelage of Professor Hari Shankar Adesh. She performed with distinctions in competitions such as the Diwali Nagar's Coca-Cola Teen Singing Competition and the Mastana Bahar Competition. Performing Jai Jai Lakshmi Mata and Sri Ram Tumhari, I present to you Miss Vandana Tulsi.
ah जलाने आया हूँ। मुझे राग और गीत
Next, we have a student of our Upper 6 science class with an instrumental item on the violin. She learned to play the violin with the Shiv Sangeet School of Music under the guidance of Mr. Shivanan Maharaj, and she continues to extend her 10 years of training at the same institution. I now invite Jyoti Mangu to perform her instrumental version of the bhajan entitled Hey Siya Rama, Hey Raji Ram.
Our next speaker is the best right-hand man to our principal. He has always worked very closely and assiduously with the principal to bring our college to the laudable position it currently occupies. He holds Shiva Boys Hindu College close to his heart, and his pride in our school is reflected time and time again in the way he cherishes and celebrates our successes. He is an extremely hard worker who embraces a never give up attitude. May Lord Ram continue to bless and guide him. I take pleasure in introducing this very special individual, our esteemed Vice Principal, Mr. Devinish Niranjan.
Sitaram, everyone out there in the world in terms of virtual media, other platforms, welcome to Shiva Boys Hindu College Diwali celebration. I hope you are enjoying the program so far with our splendid students, very talented, and even a few former students who are here. Before I go further, I just want to thank Mrs. Bahadur, our teacher, right, for that introduction. And also I want to thank the teachers who are involved in putting all this together. And it's not only teachers, there are several students assistant and former students assistant also. So we are Diwali 2020. Right, we have always had some form of recognition of Diwali at Shiva Boys Hindu College, whether it be just puja or whether it be puja and a program of celebration after, where we showcase our talented students. Right, just a few years ago we had did it at the night, and I know some students and so on were disappointed we couldn't do it, continue it for the last couple of years. However, this year, as we know what's set in, COVID-19, we had to do a very different version of our Diwali celebration at school. And we have to thank Bhagwan, Mother Lakshmi, for blessing us still with the knowledge, with our hard-working staff and students to put this program of a virtual Diwali celebration together. It is taking some effort, and we are, I believe, doing really well. You, the audience out there, right, will like us, go on Facebook page, Shiva Boys Hindu College Facebook page, and you can put your comments, and please, not just like, just love us, Shiva Boys Hindu College. So we are in this new protocol of COVID-19 and health protocol, where students cannot come into school physically. Maybe that may change a bit for 2021, but however, we have to be away from the school physically, but we are at home and we are continuing our education. And just like this has affected our society, and not only in Trinidad, throughout the whole world, right? We have to go back to the Ramayana a bit. I must say, I must go back to it a bit. And I'd like you all to remember when Ram had to be exiled, right? And he did it on his father's wishes, King Dasarath. Also accompanying Ram to the forest for those years of exile were his consort, Mother Sita, and his brother, Lakshmi. And remember, they were in exile for this long time. But in that exile, there's a story behind it. There's a very important aspect behind it. He would not have accomplished it if he had stayed in the kingdom totally, because think of the war at Lanka coming into Ayodhya. That would have disseminated the kingdom. So he had to, this is part of it. God is teaching us a lesson, right? That things will change, not for the bad, but in the end it will get better. Now, how did it get better for Ram? In that exile, we know he went about getting back his wife that was kidnapped, Mother Sita, and also destroying a demon. Right? We will get over this, what we're going through, which is the COVID-19 demon. Right? We will get over it. And this is the lesson we have to take here, that this will end. And afterwards we'll come together, the whole human race, other living beings a bit. Right? When I mean living beings, right? We could see about the environment in terms of plants, animals, and so on. Right? And also especially our social contact. I know we have missed it a lot, and the physical social contact. Right? So we will overcome it. And I just want to leave you all with this message. Right? It's just a matter of time, and we will adapt and suit to carry on a way of life. Right? And I hope you all enjoy the program, the Diwali celebration, and I hope you stick around, right? I don't want to keep you on much longer because you're probably excited to see some other performer, probably your own child, probably a good friend, right? So I would not keep you all any longer. Let me wish you a happy Diwali 2020, and Sitaram everyone, and on behalf of all the staff and so on, and the students. I hope you enjoy the program. Sitaram again.
Our next performer is a student of the Form 4 business class here at Shiva Boys. He will be rendering a film song, Tum Hi Ho, on guitar. Translated, the song says, "Only you are my life, only you are my love." I introduce to you Brandon TJ.
Our next performer is a very gifted and vibrant singer with a voice that closely resembles that of Kumar Sanu and Kishore Kumar. He started singing at the age of 8 and is known both locally and internationally for his melodious and soulful singing. He performed on the same stage with a number of very accomplished singers from India and toured places like New York and Barbados. He has produced a CD entitled Yadin in tribute to Kumar Sanu and the late Kishore Kumar. He is performing the bhajan entitled Maili Chadar, accompanied by his son, who is currently a student at the Mahatma Gandhi Institute, where he is tutored by Ustad Arshad Khan from India. In 2019, he performed an item on the tabla and placed first in the secondary school's Sanskritic competition. Let us welcome Rohan Budu and Virendra Budu. He will also be accompanied by Surendra on the Majira and will be chorused by Satyavani, Kimlin and Kavita.
हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे, हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे, मन ही मन शर्मा मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे, मन की मन शर्मा चादर ओढ़े के कैसे मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे जग में भेजा नीलमल देकर काया, आकर के संसार मैंने इसको दाग लगाया। जन्म जन्म की मैली चादर कैसे दाग चुराओ, मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे। तुझसे नाम न तेरा गाया, नैन मूर्त कह सुनाऊं।
मेरी चादर ओढ़ के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे मन ही मन शर्माऊं।
मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे, मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे। इन पहरों से चल कर तेरे मंदिर कभी न आया। जहाँ जहाँ हो पूजा तेरी कभी न शीश झुकाया। हे हरि हर में आरग आया, अब क्या रचूढ़ा। मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे द्वार तुम्हारे हे पावन परमेश्वर मेरे मन की शर्माऊं। मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे, मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे, मैली चादर ओढ़े के कैसे।
Our next item is going to be done by another past student of Shiva Boys Hindu College. She recently graduated from the University of the West Indies and has always had a passion for singing. Rendering the bhajan entitled Jo Ram Nam Nahi Gate, I am pleased to invite Ms. Kavita Budram to perform for us in this our 2020 virtual Diwali celebration.
जो राम नाम नहीं गाते वो जीते
Kampo, science student of Shiva Boys Hindu College, is a practicing Pandit attached to the Ribero Trace Shiv Mandir. He is also a student of the SDMS Pandit Parasram School of Hinduism. Accompanied by Surendra Mahavir on Dolak and Mr. Arun Visesa on the Dantal, pleased to invite on stage to sing a bhajan entitled Bhora Bhai Din, Arun Sharma Maharaj.
और भय दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे हो रही जय जय कार मंदिर विच आरती जय मां भोर भय दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे भोर भय दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे हो रही जय जय कार मंदिर विच आरती जय मां हे पहाड़ा वाली आरती जय मां हे दरबार वाली आरती जय मां काहे दे मैया तेरी आरती बनावा काहे दे मैया तेरी आरती बनावा काहे दे पावा विच वादी मंदिर विच आरती जय मां तू है छोले वाली आरती जय मां सर्व सोनेर तेरी आरती बनाया सर्व सोनेर तेरी आरती बनाया अग्र कपूर पव पादी मंदिर विच आरती जय मां पेंडी वाली आरती जय मां सर्व सुहागन देवा गल्ला मेरी मैया सर्व सुहागन देवा गल्ला मेरी मैया ज्योति जगेगी सारी रात मंदिर विच आरती जय मां जय पहाड़ा वाली आरती जय मां भोर भय दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे भोर भय दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे हो रही जय जय कार मंदिर विच आरती जय मां हे दरबार वाली आरती जय मां हे पहाड़ा आरती जय माँ। जुग जुग जीव तेरा जमु वेद राजा, जुग जुग जीव तेरा जमु वेद राजा। जिसने तेरा भगवान बनाया मंदिर विच, आरती जय माँ। जय पावाना वाली आरती जय माँ। भोर भये दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे, भोर भये दिन चर गया मेरी अम्बे। हो रही जय जय कार मंदिर विच, आरती जय माँ। हे दरबार वाली आरती जय माँ। हे पहाड़ा वाली आरती जय माँ। हे दरबार वाली आरती जय माँ।
From Bansi Trace, Pinal Rock Road, Pinal, he has been singing in the eyes of the public for the past 7 years. A former student of Shiva Boys Hindu College and the newest member of the TN Tech Gayatoons band, please welcome Prakash Ramcharan.
तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। सदराह दिखा करके उधार करो दुर्गा, उधार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी। दर्शन हो माँ तेरे, सबकी अभिलाषा है। मन में रहो तुम सबके, तुमसे यही आशा है। दर्शन हो माँ तेरे, सबकी अभिलाषा है। मन में रहो तुम सबके, तुमसे यही आशा है। क्या मेरा क्या उसका, ये अपना पराया क्या। तुम ज्ञान ढला करके रोशन करो जग सारा, रोशन करो जग सारा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, एक दिन उसे जाना है जो भी यहाँ आया है। संसार तो माया है, कभी डूब कभी छाया है। एक दिन उसे जाना है जो भी यहाँ आया है। क्या रंग है जीवन का, क्या रूप है माधव का। तुम ज्ञान बना करके उपकार करो दुर्गा, उपकार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी, कल्याण करो जग का। सदरा हदिका करके उधार करो दुर्गा, उधार करो दुर्गा। तुम विनती सुनो सबकी। वरदान दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। पे साजे तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पे विराजे हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे मन से हमारे मिटा दे अंधेरे हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ हे शारदे माँ हे शारदे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ.
Our next performer, who has a passion for music, has been singing since he was 3 years old. He learned music from his father, Pandit Satyam Keso Maharaj, then went on to the Shiv Sangeet School of Music, where he furthered his singing and musical talents under the guidance of Mr. Shivanand Maharaj. He has been playing the harmonium since age 7 and is currently learning to play the bassuri and the violin. This Form 2 student of this college will be accompanied by Mr. R.M.B. Sessa on Dantal and Sirinja Mahabir on Dolak, doing a local classical item. Let's welcome Sandeep Maharaj.
Ramachandraya Vedase Raghunataya Nataya Sitaya Pate Namam Rama Ayodhya mein aiye aiye o Rama chalo re saki Rama Rama Ayodhya mein aiye Rama Ayodhya mein aiye aiye o Rama chalo re saki Rama Rama Ayodhya mein aiye दुलारी रामा जनक दुलारी हनुमत संग में आइए आइए ओ रामा चलो रे सखी रामा रामा अयोध्या में आइए अयोध्या में आइए ओ रामा चलो रे सखी रामा रामा अयोध्या में आइए अयोध्या में आइए, राम अयोध्या में आइए, ओ में आइए, ओ राम चलो रे सखी राम, राम अयोध्या में आइए। तुलसीदास कर जोर कहत है, जोर कहत है, तुलसीदास कर जोर कहत है, जोर कहत है। हरि गुण गाता चलो रे, ओ राम चलो रे सखी राम, राम अयोध्या में आइए, राम अयोध्या में आइए, ओ में आइए, ओ राम चलो रे सखी राम, राम अयोध्या में आइए, राम अयोध्या में आइए, ओ में आइए, ओ राम चलो रे सखी राम, राम अयोध्या में आइए। लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ। तू ही प्रकृति, वैष्णो देव दीपक माँ, तू ही प्रकृति, वैष्णो देवी देवता माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ। तू ही अर्चा, तू ही लेचा, आदि शक्ति जय जय माँ, तू ही अर्चा, तू ही लेचा, आदि शक्ति जय जय माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ। तू ही कमला, तू ही कांता, तू ही बुद्धि भवानी माँ, तू ही कमला, तू ही कांता, तू ही बुद्धि भवानी माँ, शक्ति माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ। तू ही प्रभा, तू ही चांदा, तू ही इंदु शीतल माँ, तू ही प्रभा, तू ही चांदा, तू ही इंदु शीतल माँ, शक्ति माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ, लक्ष्मी माँ जय लक्ष्मी माँ, जय महारानी लक्ष्मी माँ, ओ जय महारानी
sure you would agree that we have had a wonderful virtual Diwali program, and this is thanks to the valued contributions of so many groups and individuals. I firstly wish to thank the Dharmacharya of the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, His Holiness Pandit Dr. Ramprasad Parasram, for gracing us with his distinguished presence and his meaningfully profound sentiments. A very huge show of gratitude goes out to the Shiva Boys Hindu College Religious Committee for a job well done in organizing this venture, as it normally does year after year. The various subcommittees, the program committee, the PA system committee, the decoration committee, the refreshments committee, the filming and editing teams must all be commended for their diligent efforts over the past few weeks. A special thank you must go out to our principal, vice principal, and the head of the religious committee for all the support they provided for this program to become possible. As usual, they have shown their commitment to religion and culture at our school. What would this program be without our artists? We at Shiva Boys Hindu College wish to wholeheartedly express our sincerest gratitude to all our artists who performed tonight. Our special guest artists, including some of our past students, our current students, relatives of our current and past students, and our teachers who assisted these students on and off stage. May Mother Lakshmi bless you all immensely. Because of the nature of this year's program being a virtual one, technology was an important aspect of the requirements needed to make this undertaking possible. Words cannot adequately do justice to the gratitude we have for the filming and editing teams. Like lights on Diwali night, they really shone their brilliance on the celebration, paving a clear and hopeful pathway for this event to become a virtual reality. On behalf of Shiva Boys Hindu College, thank you so very much. We truly appreciate it. I wish to thank our MCs for doing such a tremendously superb job. I applaud you both for graciously taking us through this year's program, and I must say that your contributions enhanced the overall quality of our program. Thank you so much. All in all, everyone voluntarily offered their services and assistance, thereby making this year's celebration a tremendous success. Finally, I thank you, the viewing public, for sharing this Diwali program with us. I hope you had an enjoyable experience. Finally, I take this opportunity to wish you Shubh Diwali 2020. May Mother Lakshmi continue to richly bless you and yours, now and always. Sitaram.